Hello, welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to create an account on Canva, the popular platform for design and creativity. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva offers a wide range of tools to help you bring your ideas to life. So, let's get started. So before we, get started with Canva, first of all, let us talk about what Canva is and why it's so, awesome to use. Canva is an online design tool that allows you to create stunning graphic presentations, social media posts, and more. It's user-friendly and offer a tutorial of template, images, customization options. So if you are ready to unleash your creativity, so let's jump right in and get started once again. So to access Canva website, the first thing you need to do is to go to your web browser, open Google and type in Canva. Then you click on the first link. So now you are within the Canva interface. So to sign up into Canva, the next thing you need to do is to create an account. And for you to create an account, when you look at your screen, at the right side of your screen, you will see at the top right side of your screen, you will see sign up button. So what you do is to click on it. Okay, so then you can now choose the account type that you want to create your account with. So as you can see, you can create an account using your email. You can also create an account using Facebook, and you can create other ways. Once I click other ways, so you have option for Apple. You also have option to use Microsoft email. Then you can create with Clever, and so these are various options you can use to create your account with Canva. So for me, I'm going to use email. That's my Gmail. Then what I'll do is to click on it. So then I'll click next. And also click next. So now we are being shown a dialog box that says, what will you be using Canva for? So you have these options that says small business, personal, that you want to use it for your own personal use. Student, if you're a student, you can also make use of it. Teacher, if you're a teacher, you can make use of it. Then large company or non-profit or charitable organization. So whatever you are creating the account for, there are different options that you can use. So as for me, I'm going to go with personal. Then you'll be given an option to select payment method, because naturally Canvas is free, but there are some limitation when it comes to Canvas, or when it comes to using the tools within Canva. So in order for you to get maximum performance when it comes to Canva, you need to upgrade your account. So for me, as I'm registering this account, I'm being welcome with a pop-up screen that says start my free accounts. We will remind you 7 days before your trial ends. So that means start your free account right now. After 7 days, you'll be reminded to pay for the subscription. So I'm going to click here that says start a free trial. Try Canva Pro for free. For me personally, I live in Nigeria. What this is saying is yearly payment. Every month they'll be charging me 1,991.66 kobo monthly, but on yearly basis I will be paying 23,900. If you don't want to do the yearly subscription, you can go for monthly subscription that says 2,800. So but for me, I'm not going to do any subscription right now. So what I will just do, I'll click here that says maybe later. So now I'm inside Canva. Okay, so we have successfully created an account on Canva. You can go into your profile to probably update your profile, and the interface you are seeing is the Canva homepage, and you can see the features within Canva. You can see the search bar, you can see the home, the project, the template. So for now, this is where I'm going to stop. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and that is it for today. We covered the step from accessing the website to exploring the platform. Now you have the power to design and create amazing visual. Unleash your creativity and make the most out of Canva incredible tool. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorial, and leave a comment if you have any question or suggestion. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.